This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming loadout and map intel. You've already picked a silenced ranged and a fast melee. Move to the nearest soft entry while keeping to cover, and disable cameras if you can. Once done, mark one choke point as your kill funnel and clear adjacent rooms quickly to prevent flanking. Stay on the weak light side of corridors to maintain stealth. This lets you control sight lines and conserve healing items for unavoidable fights. You now shape the engagement by funneling enemies into the choke point you set. Use a throw or an intentional noise to bait one or two enemies, then reposition to deny flank paths. You want isolated fights, not group melees. Once engaged, stagger targets with short bursts and follow with a quick melee finish to save ammo. Make sure to scan for reinforcements and use healing only after you gain positional advantage. This keeps momentum and prevents running out of resources. You approach the endgame by sweeping the final rooms methodically, clearing corners clockwise so you don't miss a hidden enemy. Once the area is clear, open your extraction early and secure a short path. Leave a sound decoy if guards converge. If enemies pinch or AI locks on, don't panic. Backtrack out of sight for 10 to 15 seconds to reset aggro, then re-enter with a clearer plan. Finally, move to extraction briskly, and use one last heal only if absolutely necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.